The Jigsaw method. This strategy was designed by social psychologist Elliot Arson in 1971. So basically it was created as a cooperative learning technique that would reduce racial conflict among school children, promote better learning, improve student motivation, and an increased enjoyment of the learning experience. It proved to be extraordinarily effective in Austin, Texas, where there was a lot of desegregation going on at that time, and is now used in schools throughout the US and the world. Arson also wrote the book Jigsaw Classroom in 1997. Again, the jigsaw puzzle is really a form of cooperative learning where students become experts on the content or materials and teach each other. Really, this is an instructional approach that is different in that students are not learning from the teacher but each other. Just as in a jigsaw puzzle, each piece, each student's part, is essential for the completion and full understanding of the final product. If each student's part is essential, then each student is essential in the strategy, and that is precisely what makes it so effective.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.